In the heart of a cornfield in Iowa, a drone equipped with multispectral sensors captures data that the human eye cannot see. This is precision agriculture powered by artificial intelligence. AI models analyze images from drones and satellites to detect early signs of nutrient deficiency, water stress, or pest infestation long before visible symptoms appear. The technology processes vast datasets, soil moisture, temperature, historical yields, and generates actionable insights. Farmers receive alerts on their smartphones, telling them exactly which sections of a field need irrigation or targeted pesticide application. The result is a dramatic reduction in resource waste, with some farms reporting up to 30% less water usage and a 20% increase in yield. Machine learning algorithms continuously improve as they ingest more seasonal data, adapting to local climate patterns. This shift from uniform treatment to per-plant care is reshaping agriculture into a more sustainable, efficient industry. The takeaway is clear: AI-driven crop monitoring doesn't just boost productivity, it equips farmers with the precision to feed a growing planet while preserving natural resources.